Creating a DEX screener allows you to access trading data, monitor decentralized exchanges, and manage your wallet easily. Here's how to create a DEX screener account. Visit DEX Screener. Go to DEX Screener in your web browser. Click Sign Up. In the top right corner, click the Sign Up button. Enter your details. Fill in the required information, such as your email address, username, and a secure password. Ensure the password is strong and unique. Verify your email. After submitting your details, you will receive a verification email. Check your inbox and click on the verification link sent by DEX Screener to activate your account. Connect your wallet. Once your account is verified, log in and connect your wallet. This allows you to interact with DEXs and track your transactions. Set preferences. Customize your DEX Screener dashboard by selecting the blockchains and DEXs you want to monitor. You can filter by tokens, pairs, and trading volumes. Start using DEX Screener. With your account created, you can now export trading data, monitor live markets, and execute trades directly from supported wallets.